Warm welcome to all. In this video, here going to discuss some problems relating rate of reaction. These questions are asked in various competitive examination like CSIR NET examination, AIPMT, NEET, UPSC Civil Services, TNPSC exams, etc. So we will discuss one by one. Already we discussed theories based on rate of reaction. In this video, the problems related to rate of reaction. There are a lot of problems asked in this area. The first one, CSIR NET examination 2015 June question. The question is, for a reaction 2A plus B gives 3Z. If the rate of consumption of A is 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube per second, the rate of formation of Z in mole per decimeter cube per second will be. The four options are given. So this is the question. So we know what they are asking. Rate of consumption is given. Okay, 2 into 4 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter cube. So the rate of consumption is given. The question is asking is rate of formation of Z is asking. Okay, so we have to write the rate of particular chemical reaction. The rate of the reaction is 2A plus B gives 3Z is rate of this is a given chemical reaction. For this particular chemical reaction, rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 dA by dt is equal to D minus D concentration of V by dt is equal to 1 by 3 change in concentration of Z with respect to change in time. Right. The rate of consumption of A is given. That is dA by dt is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube per second is given. Okay. So the rate of consumption of A is given. What we have to calculate? Rate of formation of Z. How the rate of change in concentration of A is and Z related? Minus 1 by 2 change in concentration of A with respect to change in time is equal to 1 by 3 change in concentration of Z with respect to change in time. So we need dZ by dt. So change in concentration of Z with respect to dt is equal to 3 by 2 change in concentration of A by dt. Right. Change in concentration of A by dt is given. So 3 by 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube per second. 2 cancel, so we have the answer 3 into 10 power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube per second. So the answer is arrived 3 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter. So here this is the answer. So 3 times this is converted 3 by 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 4. So therefore the answer is 3 into 10 power minus 4 in minus 4 mole per decimeter cube. So this is the answer for this particular question. So 3 into 10 power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube per second for this chemical given reaction. So this is very basic question is asked in the CSIR NET examination. Okay, right. The next question, AIPMT 2011 question. The rate of reaction 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. So the reaction is given. For this particular chemical reaction 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2, the rate of the reaction can be written three ways. dN2O5 is equal to KN2O5, this given. dNO2 by dt is that is change in concentration of NO2 by with respect to change in time is K prime concentration of N2O5. Change in concentration of oxygen with respect to time is equal to K double prime change in concentration of N2O5. The question is, what is the relationship between K and K prime and K and double prime? Whatever it may be given. So we have to first write the rate of chemical rate of given reaction. So 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. For this reaction, rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 dN2O5 divided by dt is equal to 1 by 4 change in concentration of NO2 by dt, change in time, the change in concentration of oxygen with respect to change in time. This is the rate of reaction for a given chemical reaction. Consider dN2O5 is the value is given, that is KN2O5. The value of dN2O5 is nothing but 1 by 2 KN2O5. Value of dNO2 is given K prime N2O5. So 1 by 4 K prime N2O5. Oxygen K double prime N2O5. Here N2O5 is common, you can take it as out. So 1 by 2 K is equal to 1 by 4 K prime is equal to K double prime. We need the relation between K and K prime, K and K double prime. So you just relate that 1 by 2 K is equal to 1 by 4 K prime. 1 by 2 K is equal to K double prime. So K is equal to 2 by 4 K prime, which is equal to 1 by 2 K prime. 1 by 2 K prime. Simply you can write K prime is equal to 2K, or K is equal to K prime by 2. Here you can simply write K is equal to 2K prime, or K prime is equal to K by 2. So this is the relation. K is equal to 2K prime, and here K prime is equal to 2K, or K is equal to K prime by 2. So this is the answer for this particular given problem. Right. The next question related to rate of a chemical reaction. Consider the reaction PrO3 minus plus 5Br minus plus 6H plus gives 3Br2 plus 3H2O. Here the rate of appearance of bromine is related to rate of disappearance of bromide ion. Rate of disappearance of, that is rate of appearance of bromine. Here bromine is in product and disappearance of bromide ion in the reactant. So first we have to write the relation. It's a very simple question. We can easily write the relation. So minus 1 by 5 change in concentration of bromide ion with respect to change in time is equal to 1 by 3 change in the concentration of bromine ion with respect to change in time. So we need what is the rate of appearance of bromine is related to. So this is they are asking a relation. So d Br2 by dt is equal to minus 3 by 5 d Br minus by dt. This is the answer. So very simple question. They are asked in a competitive examination. This question is based on the rate of reaction. Very basics in the kinetics. And here another basic question. Consider the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. This thing already we discussed in the theory also. The equality relationship between dNH3 and minus dH2 by dt is asking. So ammonia and hydrogen is related. So just related minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt is equal to 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt. So based on the option given, you have to make the changes. So there is two possibilities for us relation. One is dH2 by dt is equal to 3 by 2 dNH3 by dt. Suppose if you write like this, dNH3 by dt is equal to minus 2 by 3 dH2 by dt. Thus both answers are possible. So based on the options given in the question, you have to choose the answer. So very basic question, they are asked in the competitive examination. So these questions is simply if you know to how to write the rate of reaction, you can answer these questions very easily. So very basics and very simple questions. Next question, this is also asked in the competitive examination related to your rate of chemical reaction. Consider the first one, the given chemical reaction 3A gives 2B. The rate of reaction dB by dt is equal to, very simple question. So we can write the rate of reaction minus 1 by 3 dA by dt is equal to 1 by 2 dB by dt. We need the expression for dB by dt. So dB by dt is equal to 2 comes this side, so minus 2 by 3 dA by dt. So dB by is equal to minus 2 by 3 dA by dt. So here the answer is there, minus 2 by 3 dA by dt. So this is a basic question from the rate of chemical reaction. Just to, if you know to write rate of chemical reaction, such a type of questions are very simple. And another reaction related to your rate of reaction, this is a theoretical based question. So 2A plus B gives 3C plus D. Which of the following does not express the rate of reaction rate? So suppose we consider the rate of reaction minus 1 by 2 change in concentration of A with respect to time. B minus dB by dt regarding to product 1 by 3 dC by dt and dd by dt. So for A 1 by 2 dA by dt, so here this is correct. For B is given here also correct, B also correct, A also correct. So for C plus 3 by C, but here they give a minus value. So this is the wrong here, dd by dt is correct given. So these type of questions are possible in rate of chemical reaction type question. So very simple and very easy questions which is asked in the rate of chemical reaction. So very basic things are here. So how to write here? If you know the how to write a rate of a particular chemical reaction for any given reaction, you can easily attempt the problems related to the theoretical based questions as well as the problem oriented questions also. Thank you. Let us discuss other chemical kinetics based theories and problems or in the next videos. Thank you.